Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to explain how you can do airtime swap, how you can swap your MTN airtime to Glo, how you can swap your Glo to Airtel, your Airtel to 9 Mobile, or better still, how you can convert all those airtime, you convert them to money that you can send to your bank account easily, no stress, no issue. So you convert your airtime to cash and then you get it to your bank account automatically, no wait, no delay, no verify, no anything. As long as your airtime has been processed, automatically you get your money. So what you want to do is you want to click on airtime swap. So what you want to do is, the first time you come here, it will ask you to add your bank details. It should bring a pop-up that you must add your bank details. That's because if you want to pay, you must include the bank that you get the money. So if it brings up add your bank account there, put in your account name, put in your account number, put in the name of your bank, type everything there. The truth is that if you put in a wrong bank account, because everybody there's always maybe they want to use your account. I don't know, nobody can use your account to do anything if you don't have access to your PIN or password or anything. So if you put in a wrong account number here, and you process airtime to cash, and the cash has been sent to another person's account, so it will not attend to you. We will not attend to you. Don't start to send message that I did not know, I put in wrong account number, and now the airtime has been sent and then the payment has been successful, but I'm not seeing money in my own account. If you put in a wrong account number, you will not see money in your right account number. So put in your right account number here before you do anything. If you've mistakenly put in wrong account number, chat your support or click on this purple button that is showing one. Those guys will help you to fix your stuff. If you put in wrong account number, you're saying we will not attend to it. We will not attend to it at all. So it's not like they are scamming you for your money. You must be very, very cautious and intelligent. Don't put in wrong account number and you're expecting money in your right account number that we don't even know, we don't have access to. So put in your right account number here. Good. So the first thing you want to do is, if you want to, let's do MTN. I'll use MTN. MTN, the process is the same thing for all network: MTN, Glo, 9 Mobile, and Airtel. But because everyone have MTN, so I'll use MTN to explain. So you put in, if you want to send, let's do airtime to your bank, airtime to cash first before you do airtime to swap. So for airtime to your bank, you select the network. If it's MTN, Glo, anyone, you select. I'll do MTN. Then I want to put in my number here. So I'll just put in let's assume this is my so let's assume this is my number here, and I want to send, I have 10,000 naira airtime, and I want to convert 10,000 naira airtime to cash. So I'll put in, if you ask me what's the amount of airtime that I want to sell, 10,000 naira airtime. You can see it is telling me that I will receive 8,500 naira in my Zenith bank account. That's what all these things means. So if you want to sell 50,000 airtime, maybe you do mistake to recharge, or maybe you've recharged it and then you have bonus and then you want to sell the airtime, this is what you do. This 50,000 naira, it is telling you receive 42,500 naira in your bank account. The moment you click on proceed, it will give you the instructions. If you've never sent airtime before on MTN, this is the code that you press: *600 *000 new PIN to create a PIN. Because if you don't have a PIN, you won't be able to do any transaction. So the first thing you have to do is to create a PIN. So copy this code to create a PIN. All right. Then the moment you've created a PIN, you now copy this code on how to transfer the 50,000. I can say *600 this number *50,000 your PIN hash. If you have a PIN before, you don't need to create a new PIN. But if you don't have a PIN before, this is the one that you do to create a new PIN. So the moment you create a PIN, just try this thing. The moment you've seen that it has successfully sent this amount, eh just click on the moment you dial it and it has sent, come back here and click on confirm airtime sent. The moment you click on confirm airtime sent, it will automatically confirm it. If you have truly sent it, the server will locate your airtime, and then it will validate it for you. Then you see the money. It will send the money to your bank account instantly. But if you click on confirm airtime sent and and you have not sent the airtime, you will not receive any money. And if you keep on doing that, the next time you want to send, it may not work, because there's some people that want to scam. I don't know, some people will send 100 naira, and then they will come here and type they have sent 1,000 or 50,000. I don't know, maybe they think this website, the computer system is stupid, or maybe I don't even know what they are thinking. They will intentionally send 250 naira. They will now press 250,000 for 250. People, Nigerians, I don't know, they're just funny. So don't be funny. If you type 250 naira, if you send 250 naira, you're sending 25,000 naira. People like that will know. We'll just be looking at them. We won't attend to you. We won't attend to you. Those people, they are trying. I don't know. Maybe they're trying to scam the system. That's how it starts. You send 100 naira. You are putting 1 million. I don't know what I don't like. They're just funny. So don't be funny. Don't do that. All right. If you send 250, if you type that you want to convert to 2,500, send that 2,500, and then you click on confirm airtime send the moment you send the airtime, and then you will get the money in your account easily. All right. So don't join don't make a mistake. All right. Don't make a mistake with the amount. So for Glow, I think the maximum you can send at once is 1,000 naira for Glow. All right. For nine mobile and for Airtel, I don't know the maximum, but for MTN there is no maximum. I don't think there is a maximum for nine mobile and Airtel too. If there is, when you are trying to send it, they should tell you. But for Glow, I'm sure the maximum you can send at once is 1,000. If you want to do 10,000, you have to send it 1,000. I think the maximum you can also send for Glow in a day is 5,000 naira. So that's what I'm telling you now, so that you can note it. But MTN, there is no limitation. I don't think there's limitation for Airtel and nine mobile as well. But for Glow, there's maximum of 1,000 naira per transfer, and there's maximum of 5,000 naira per day. So when you click on proceed and you click on confirm airtime send, it will send it to your bank account automatically. The fact that so far the amount that you put in is the amount that you send, it will locate your profile, and it will validate it. But if you want to use it to buy airtime, or you want to use it to do DSTV, GoTV, StarTimes, you can use your airtime to pay for your StarTimes, your DSTV, your GoTV. You can even use it to pay for your NEPA bill. All you need to do is just click on this check button. This button here, you check it. You want to use it to fund your wallet. The moment you use it to fund your wallet, check it, transfer the money, click on confirm airtime sent. The moment you click on confirm airtime sent, and then we check it, it will automatically use it to fund your wallet for you. Then from your wallet, you can now use it to buy airtime. You can use it to buy. Let's say you use Glow to fund your wallet. You can use it to buy MTN, Nine Mobile, or Airtel, or use it to buy data, or use it to do your DSTV, GoTV, starters, or use it to pay for your electricity bill easily. So click on proceed, confirm. But if you don't want to receive it in your wallet, you want to receive it in your bank, don't check this one. No. If it is like this, that means you want to receive it in your bank account. But if you want to use it to process another transaction, like airtime, buy another network airtime, or pay for bills, you check here, then you click on proceed, then it will send it to your wallet. That is it. If you have any other question, chat your support representative, they will assist you. Thank you.